I know some of you saw the thumbnail. If you were ever curious, stick around and come back later as I do a review and break down this first time review on using the new Dawn Ultra Powewash. Some of you probably heard about it but never got around to using it or trying it. I am not the first person to use this product. I do know of one person, but he's nowhere near me and I don't know him. I only know of him because the person that told me about the product, I didn't even know the product exists. So the person that brought this to my attention is a Facebook friend of mine or associate. People call them Facebook friends. I don't know. But anyways, oh, there goes some more cracks in my phone. Oh, all right. I need a new phone anyways. So, surprisingly, the video didn't stop. So he told me about a local guy he knows that uses it and loves it. So I'm sure maybe I'll love it too. The guy at Home Depot where I bought this, they were all out. He scanned it and he says, oh, wait, you know what? We might have some up front. And as we were walking, he was telling me his wife loves it. And I said, well, from the people that used it and reviewed it, they love it too. It does what it says it does. You spray it on there, you wipe and rinse. In this case, I will be using it in an unconventional way, like I always do, just like I've done with the full crystal. Now, I'm going to have the strongest solution on God's green earth. Because for one thing, not many people use full crystal to clean windows. I do. Only those who've learned from me use it. So how about this? You take full crystal and that. Full crystal and that. And now you're talking about a beast of a concoction. You pre-spray the next window. If you're working in the side of a residential house, let it sit on there. And then you come back and lightly scrub it. You won't have to do much scrubbing at all. That dirt will just fall right off. So we're going to use this. So this is actually one, and it's a refill in here. So this is about almost $9, but it gets good. God is good. There was only 2 left in the whole big old Home Depot. 2 left. I was going to buy the last 2, but I said, you know what? Let me just save one for somebody who needs it. And one is good because I have a refill, and this will go a long way. So he said, oh, it's on clearance, but it's not marked as on clearance. So I don't care, man. That sounds like the work of the Lord, if you ask me, because it came to like $6.70. I said at that price, I should buy the rest of them, because how is a new product going to go on clearance already? Unless they're going to discontinue it already. But why would they? If everyone's saying this is as good as it says it is, and they tell me the scent is nice too. So that's a plus when you're working indoors, because it'll leave a pleasant aroma behind. And if it doesn't, then that's when you put a dab of aromatherapy oil in your water. That's a little trick to give your water some scent in the house, and your window seals some scents. So also, I'm going to put in a review on this Unger. It's actually a cookware bake brush. But do you see how it's angled? This will be perfect for the tracks and seals. And when you get up to the very corner, that's when you can go like that. That's what that's good for. And you can use your wet dry vac to suck up the loose dirt if you got real deep groove tracks, because you won't be able to really sweep that outside. You know what I mean? And you definitely don't want to sweep it inside. So either you suck that kind of a mess up, or you break it up with this, then you take your rag, and then but that's doing too much. It's best you suck it up. All right, so come back, stay tuned, check out the review on this Powewash, and get ready for some music and probably what may end up being a long video, but you know how I do it. But this is Masters at Wagtail. Bam!